Here we have a 2017 BMW 420d M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the 18-inch alloy wheels. You'll also find the Snapper Rocks blue metallic paintwork with the LED daytime running headlights, gloss black front kinder grills. You also have the front splitter as well, part of the M Performance kit. So if we come around to the passenger side, you'll also find the side skirts running along the bottom. We have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass at the rear. Up top we have the shark fin antennae. Front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle with a visual display inside. Round to the back you've got the twin pipe exhaust. We also have the rear diffuser. 420D badging here on the right. Press the button underneath here, boot pops open. As you can see, we do have plenty of space inside of here. A little handle underneath so we can pull it back down, and then back around to the driver's side, and you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look then at the interior, inside of the back, I'll just follow the front seat forward, and you can see we do have the leather seats, foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points. You'll also find the same leather seats for the front. Both front seats, however, can be heated. There's a quick look at both of them. Take a seat inside, you've got the automatic lights just down there. Multifunctional steering wheel, got the dashboard as well in front of us. Foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle turns on. So you do have the speedometer and also cruise control here on the left, along with having the phone connectivity volume buttons on the right. Paddle shifters either side, we have the automatic wipers on that stalk there. As you can see, dashboard free from any warning lights. We also have the main infotainment screen, currently showing the sat nav. If this is flickering, it's only the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We've got the buttons down here for the different features, so if you go through them, you'll find radio stations. Over to the left, you've got the other media options as well, which we can scroll through. We do have the phone connectivity for phone calls. Further down, you'll also find the climate control. As you can see, dual zone for the front, heated seats either side, we have the AC. Cup holders just underneath there. We then have the automatic gearbox, of course, with the different drive modes. You can press these buttons and quickly toggle through the drive modes just like so. Also pops up on the dashboard as you flick through them. Into reverse, you then find the parking sensors appear on the screen. We do have the park button just here, manual handbrake, and finally the armrest in the centre. Now that's all I'm going to show you today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching.